In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can save Google Slides to desktop. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So first is you just need to open your Google Slides. So I have this one from here. And then how we can save this into our desktop. Look at the ribbon at the top and here you will find the File tab. Click on that. Now here you have the option Download. Click on this Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on that. And as you can see, this will be downloaded from here. So let's just wait for this to be downloaded. Now once done, click on the folder icon and then double click. Okay, so you can enable editing from here like that. So how can we save this into the desktop? Again, you need to look at the ribbon at the top and you will find the File tab. Click on that. Here you have the option Save As. Click on Browse and here look for the desktop. Okay. For the file name, I'm just going to leave it as it is, but you can simply change that if you want to and click on Save. Now let us confirm it in the desktop if we have saved this. And there you go. It has been saved into your desktop. Okay, so that's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.